Namaskar. We discuss the construction and working of cathode ray oscillograph. In this question, there is a term deflection sensitivity, and we may ask to derive the expression for electrostatic deflection sensitivity. It may be a question along with the CRO. Deflection sensitivity of an electrostatic deflection cathode ray tube is defined as the amount of spot deflection on the screen in mm per volt potential difference applied between the deflecting plates. It is expressed in mm per volt. The DC or peak to peak AC voltage which must be applied across the deflection plate to produce a spot deflection of 1 mm on the screen is called deflection factor. It is expressed in volt per mm. The deflection sensitivity is reciprocal to the deflection factor. To calculate the expression for electrostatic deflection sensitivity, let us have this diagram in mind, in which length of each deflection plates are small n, while the distance between the plates is small d, and the distance between the ends of plate and screen is d. If BA is the final accelerating anode voltage and small b is the velocity of electron on just entering the deflecting plates, then we may have the equation half of mb square is equals to EBA, where E is the charge and m is mass of electron. So we get the result V square is equals to 2E by MBA. Now, if VD is the voltage applied between the plates, then force acting on the electron toward the upper plate is given by F is equals to E BD by D. If A is a resulting acceleration, so we can write the equation for the acceleration, which is equals to small a is equals to E by M BD by D. Time taken by electron to traverse through the deflecting plate is equals to T is equals to L by B. Hence, upward velocity of electron on the emerging out of the deflection plate is B by B is equals to U plus AT. You remember the formula. So B by is equals to 0 plus AT. So this is the upward velocity of electron on emerging out of the deflection plate. So By becomes E by M BD by D L by B. This is marked as equation number 2. Now the electron enters the deflecting system at E and leaves at B. The path of electron between A and B is curve, which is marked in this diagram. So vertical upward displacement D1 during the time interval of small t is equals to D1 is equals to S is equals to UT plus half of AT square using this formula. So we are getting a expression for D1. So D1 is equals to 0 plus half of AT square. So by substituting the value of acceleration, we are in receipt of the expression or equation of D1, which is equals to E by 2 BD L square by MB square D. After emerging from the plates, the electron beam moves in a straight path, making an angle alpha with the original direction and meet the screen at y2 as I have shown in this diagram. Therefore, tan alpha from this diagram, tan alpha is equals to d2 by d, d2 by capital D is equals to b by b. Hence, the d2 is equals to db by of b. Now just substitute the value of b by. The equation for d2 is equals to EBD dl upon mb square d. So total deflection on the screen will be the sum of d1 and d2. So just I have added the both expression and final results comes out to EBDL upon mb square d multiplied by L by 2 plus b. If capital L is the distance of screen from the center of deflection plate, then capital L is equals to L by 2 plus capital D. Therefore, in this total deflection expression, small l by 2 plus capital D is equals to capital L. So expression become for total deflection is marked by equation number 6. Now, substitute the value of b square from equation number 1. Substitute the value of b square from this equation number 1 in total deflection. So total deflection expression become L capital L BD upon 2D BA. Now, as we defined just now, deflection sensitivity S is equals to total deflection divided by voltage between the plates, and total deflection expression LBD upon 2D BA is multiplied by L by BD. So deflection sensitivity become L of capital L 2D by BA M per volt. From this result, we find that electrostatic deflection sensitivity is directly proportional to the length of deflecting plates. One thing is length of deflecting plates and to the distance of screen from the center of plates. It is inversely proportional to the distance between the deflecting plates and finally anode voltage. Thus, we see that deflection sensitivity can be increased by reducing the anode voltage, but this reduces the brightness of spot also. So this disadvantage can be overcome by accelerating the beam after it has passed through the deflecting system. The process is known as post-AC acceleration and is brought about by using an extra electrode called the intensifier anode. And this is that all.